Hello you guys, welcome back to another nails on a budget video. For today's video, I am going to be doing these Kiss press-on nails. These are the Gel Fantasy Jelly nails. These are supposed to be translucent. I went ahead and prepped my nails with this instant cuticle remover, and I wiped my nail off with some alcohol, some rubbing alcohol, and then I went ahead and sized my nails. I will say these don't have a lot of nail size options, I guess you could say, because I was having a little bit of trouble finding nails that actually fit my nail beds, and it does come with your nail glue, a little file, and a little cuticle pusher, which I ended up using to remove some of the excess glue. Like I mentioned, it did come with glue, but I did have two other options, but right now I am sizing my nails, and as you can see, I like this nail shape. I like the coffin type of nail shape. These are medium length. I did get these when I was in San Antonio because I did go to Texas for New Year's, and I didn't have anything on my nails, so I got these press-ons. I believe they were $8 something at H-E-B, and they also had some other ones from a different brand. I forgot the name of it, but I don't know if it was like an H-E-B brand or a brand that is common to them, that were way cheaper, and I was stuck between getting those and these, but I just went ahead and got these. I thought these were gonna be a little different, but they're like a lavender translucent, like you can see your nail. So I'm gonna fix these up in a little bit, and I'm gonna show you how. Now that I have all my nails ready, I am going to be using two types of glue. This one, I think I got this one at Sally's, and the brush on glue, and then the other one that came with it, I'm just gonna put that one to the side and save it for a later time. This one said that it was like a pink tint, so I was trying to see how pink it was, but I went ahead and used the brush on nail glue for one side of the hand, and then used the other nail glue on the right side of the hand. So the brush on I did on the left, and the other nail glue I did on the right, because I'm trying to see which one works better and which one lasts better. So I decided to do one on each hand and see how well each one works. So I'm just brushing on my nail and then brushing a little bit on the nail tip, and then I'm gonna go ahead and press it on my nails. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that with the rest of the nails on this hand. So I am done with this hand, and I don't know if you are able to tell, but you can see how translucent they are. You can actually see where my nail is, and if you happen to miss a couple of spots with the glue or have like a little bubble, you can really tell with these nails. So that's why I didn't like them like that. So I am going to be using the a different glue on my right hand. And I do feel like that glue on my right hand is a little bit better, even though you do have to be careful when you squeeze the little bottle because you can get too much on your nail. But I feel like this process was faster than the brush-on nail glue. So I think next time I'm just going to stick with this nail, depending on how well it works. So I am going to be finishing this hand. And then I will be cutting these nails a little bit shorter and filing them down, just because I cannot have long nails for work. So I am going to have to still kind of keep the shape, but cut them down a little bit shorter. So I went ahead and cut my nails short, and I'm going to be using this Paparazzi nail polish. You can get this brand at CVS, and an Orly top coat. I decided to use regular nail polish because I didn't want to do the whole gel nails because it does take a little bit longer. So what I'm doing right now is just getting my nail file and filing off the shine off of the nail, and trying to remove like just a thin layer the best I can, so that way the regular nail polish can stick to it better. So I'm going to be doing that on all of the nails, and then applying the regular nail polish. And I am going to be linking all the products that I use down below. So this is with one coat of polish. You can really see the difference. It is a little bit, the shade is a little bit darker, but you can still see that they are translucent. It's just that polish just makes them look a little bit better. And I like that glitter too. So, so far I like how they're looking. So I'm gonna do the other side and then apply a second coat. And this is with 2 coats of polish, and I am going to be applying a top coat. So this is the finished look. I absolutely love these nails. I think the nail polish made so much of a difference. I like these so much better than the original color. I'm going to be showing you how it looks like on natural lighting too, so that way you can see a difference. So that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you like these types of videos. And hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye!